Okay, let's take a look at three stock here, which is sort of you know social media related. One is Pandora, and when it first went public, there's a lot of people sort of saying that Pandora is not going to survive based on their business model, and Spotify are going to eat their lunch, and so forth and so forth. And that's for that's one reason why we should never let our bias or opinion sort of cloud our trading perspective. And I was one of those that share the same sort of opinion and judgment. But if you look at here right now in this price action on a weekly basis for Pandora, ever since it went public, it's kind of came down and hit this low somewhere around down here, the low of 708, in the week of November 16, 2012 of last year. They start coming back, and you could see that it's kind of breaking out some of these resistance level, and now it, went above the IPO high here, which is somewhere around the high was $26. Right. So right now it came down, and then last week, I think when or was it the week before when iOS 7 came out, and with the iRadio stuff, and a lot of people thinking that, oh, here we go again. Apple is gonna, take the business away from Pandora, and there's a lot of users that was using Pandora is thinking about switching over to iRadio. But in regardless, I think that time will tell is that's going to be what's going to put down Pandora is because of why iRadio, a lot of this user switching. But at least right now, you can look at the price action. We got this little hammer candle here. It's a inside bar here on this weekly basis. And right now, we are seeing some pretty heavy volume coming in on the upside. And if we switch to the daily chart here, we could also notice that, yeah, we are getting some pullback because of that iRadio stuff, but also you could see that it's kind of climbing back here. Right? And if we sort of taking a look here, it's also this inside bar here. If we take a look at here, right, this level. So essentially, this is trying to climb back, and if we break above here, then certainly it have another opportunity to take out this all-time high. So, and in addition to that, if we also take a look at the Fibonacci retracement level somewhere down here, certainly there are some potential upside here near this, 2990, somewhere around 30 and 31. So, that's why, we just have to trade what we see and not what we believe. So, this is one of the stock that you might want to, keep an eye on, and if you don't, like trading these stock, then, hey, just look somewhere else and look for some better opportunity. But again, we should not be prejudged based on our personal bias. Right? We should sort of trade based on what the market is telling us. And then the other one, the same thing, like Groupon. Right? I mean, Groupon, I never bought into this idea of, these online coupon thing is actually going to work. But, again, let's take a look at the weekly here. And you can see that it's like I kind of mentioned it before. It's like a nice little saucer rounding bottom. Right, so right now it's kind of trending nicely, and who knows, it might even get back up to this somewhere around the 16 level. So if we take a look at the daily chart here, the daily prices, and you can see that it's a nice little rounding bottom. These type of bottom have a tendency to just go and go, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it possibly come up and fill this particular gap here near this 18 level here. We see there's a little gap here because right now this thing is just keep on it's sort of climbing, right? And really you don't have sort of like a nice little channel because it is kind of curving up. So when does it get to the point that it's sort of curved up to be like a parabolic? So that's another stock to keep an eye on if you are interested in these type of stock, the social media stuff. And then here's the other one is Singer. Oops. Got the wrong symbol here. Okay. Uh, let's, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Not sure why I might keep on typing that Z. Okay, here's Singer, and I am trading a little bit of Singer. I got in earlier and already scaled out and took some profit, and right now I'm just holding a small position. But the key thing here, if we take a look at Singer, again, we're looking at maybe possibly this particular, get up at least this particular level here, somewhere around the four, and also if we kind of look at the Fibonacci retracement tool here, right? We could also see, a little bit of a retracement. Possibly could get back up here to this $5 area if we get up to this, 78.6 level here, on on this particular swing down, right? And if we go and take a look at the daily, you can see that here's that long-term trend line that we got joined in, and it's right in the middle of this gap. So if we come up and fill this gap here, right, let's say we come up and fill this gap, and that would be somewhere around the $5 area, pretty close to that. Okay, so you could see that there are some possibility. I mean, it's all depend what kind of trading plan you have. I mean, it's a break out of this $4, then it could bring it up to five or close to five. I mean, it is a low price stock right now, but in terms of percentage, that's a 25% move. And if you size it accordingly, and I hope all of you have some kind of position sizing scheme to actually size your trade, then it doesn't matter, how high or how low the price of the stock is, and you just basically size it to your risk. So those are the, three of these, what I call socially dysfunctional stock that seems to be functioning quite nicely. So I'd just like to share that with you. Good luck on your trading next week.